What if a military-grade machine wasn't just made for war zones, but dominated the road too? Meet the Dongfeng Warrior M817, a plug-in hybrid off-road beast with over 700 horsepower. Could this be the most powerful off-road SUV ever built? This is the Dongfeng Warrior M87, Dongfeng Motor Corporation's latest flagship off-road vehicle. Born from military roots and armed with extreme tech, it's not just a machine, it's a movement. Dongfeng Motor Corporation, one of China's largest automakers, has long supplied heavy-duty vehicles to the military. The M817 takes that battle-tested DNA and evolves it for the modern world, combining brute force with advanced hybrid intelligence. Stretching 5,100 millimeters in length and nearly 2,000 millimeters in width, the Warrior M817 makes a massive first impression. A wheelbase of 3,150 millimeters means enhanced cabin space and serious trail stability. Thanks to its 30-degree approach and departure angles, the M817 conquers steep inclines and rocky paths with ease. The plug-in hybrid powertrain generates over 700 horsepower, pairing a high-altitude certified plateau engine with intelligent multi-mode drive tech. Need quiet urban efficiency? Switch to full electric mode. Long trip? Use range extended mode, or activate hybrid mode for instant torque when hitting the wild. The optional air suspension system offers 150 millimeters of adjustability, rear wheel steering, and even a garage mode that lowers the height by 45 millimeters. And customization? It's built in. Electric side steps, roof trims, off-road lighting, and trailer hitches are just a few options available through Dongfeng's off-road ecological platform. But specs are one thing. Real-world action is another. In field demonstrations, the M817 has wowed with its traction, climbability, and tech integration. Huawei's Qiangun ADS 4.0 system delivers near-autonomous driving, making this one of the first luxury off-roaders with serious AI navigation. Military insiders have praised its adaptability in plateau regions and its ability to switch seamlessly between modes under load. With factory nitrogen shocks and all-terrain tires, this thing isn't pretending, it's performing. And with its recent listing on the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology's official database, production is not just a dream, it's reality. Now, some say military vehicles like this are too impractical for civilian life, too bulky, too thirsty. But the hybrid system offers urban-friendly efficiency, and the modular design means it's just as at home in the city as it is on the trail. The Dongfeng Warrior M817 is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of what happens when military-grade engineering meets next-gen technology. Rugged, refined, and ready for anything. Think the M817 could take on the world? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more deep dives into the planet's most powerful machines.